This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Lexus Fit smartwatch. It is the H13 model. And on this video, we are going to connect it with our iPhone, or we'll connect it with iOS platform. So if you are interested to see if the H13 smartwatch, a Lexus Fit powered smartwatch, works with iPhone or iOS platform, watch this video, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and connect or set up our H13 smartwatch with the Lexus Fit Support app. So we have here our iPhone. So let's search the Lexus Fit application. Lexus Fit. You can also scan the QR code if you like. We have the QR code of the app on the smartwatch. So we have here the Lexus Fit. Again, talking about the QR code, it is available on the settings or on the menus. We have the app here. Let's go to the settings. You have the settings here. Go to the general or about. You have here the QR code, Lexus Fit. Okay, so we have here the app. Tap on get to download and install the application on your iPhone. Let's wait for it to complete its download, and it will automatically install the app on the smartphone. Okay, so we have successfully installed the application for our iPhone, the Lexus Fit application. And now let's open the Lexus Fit app. So let's open the app. Tap on open. Then allow the permission for location, access the location, allow once. Then allow the notification permission. And as you can see here, it is asking to register. You can ask, or you can use your Apple account, Google account, or your email. So select agree to privacy policy, or if you don't want to register, you can direct log in. So let's pick this one. And we have here our temporary account. Just remember or screenshot this one. After that, tap on to confirm. Confirm. Then let's set our nickname here. Then select confirm. Allow for the permission for the Bluetooth connectivity. Okay. Then close. To pair your wearable, select on this menu. Mine. Then select search device. Please turn on Bluetooth again. So we will activate our Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, so it's already activated again. Tap on search device. So it will look for our wearables. We have at least 3 smartwatches here. Oh, we have 2. Okay, we have the DM8. So this one, I'm not sure if this is our wearable. So there's no name. To check, go to your settings. You can select the about section or the general about. Then check out the Bluetooth address. So we have here 46 and C2. So this one. Okay, so let's select to connect it with your wearable. Let's wait for the notification. And we have here the connection. Again, allow once. Pair the Bluetooth call and allow the iPhone notification. And as you can see here, we are connected. So we have a connection for our wearable. Next, let's set the settings here. Bracelet settings, message notification. Okay, let's disable some of the apps here that you're not using. Then confirm, go back. Let's set the time, 24-hour format time. Okay, you can enable 24-hour or let's just leave it as it is, 12-hour format time. You have the sleep monitoring. Okay, seems like everything is okay here. And I guess tap on synchronize time to enable. And seems like everything is okay here. And we are finally set or connected with our iPhone. So that's it for our pairing or the tutorial on how to connect your H13 smartwatch with iPhone. And as you can see, it works with iOS platform. So if you have any questions regarding the setup, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.